Cable must be used with existing DB25 serial device cable. Quickly convert your DB25 serial device to USB. Great for many digital cameras and POS. Perfect for connecting a serial device to a laptop or PC's USB port. Compatible with USB 1.1, USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 ports. This product creates a virtual serial port. It is not intended to connect a parallel printer device to a USB port. The parallel port device is part number 16899. This adapter cable enables high-speed serial data transfer up to 115.2 kelvins between the USB and the traditional -232 rupees serial port. Since this adapter uses no IRQs, it is ideal for when you need many serial devices attached to your PC. Just connect your computer's or hub's USB port with a digital camera, modem, ISDN TA modem, barcode reader, Palm 3 and V, tablet, label writer, fingerprint verification, security system, POS equipment or any of your favorite serial devices. Top reviews from the United States. Work great. Have been using these for years. Work great and drivers readily available.